2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ow! I can really rock the house, really rock the mansion. I can play a guitar just as loud as hell as I ever want to. We will let in the sky. It's the big bad wolf, it's the wolf. You can't stop me, and you'll never be able to stop me. That's right. Ow! Itty-itty-ay-ya, boodly-boodly boy, I make the real music, the auto-tune sucks. DJ Khaled can go suck it, that's right. Ow! Ow! I make the button roll. I made it crazy. Now, if I had to pick a rapper who's good, I would say Gritty Smalls was good. Tupac was good. Old Dirty Bastard was good. Boy was good. But if I had to pick a rapper who's bad, I don't really like. Sorry, Eminem, you can go suck it! Cause you made fun of Elvis Presley! Ow! Ow! It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf! Now I can rock the house, just like Alice Cooper or Kid Rock. Or I can rock the house, even right in the eyes. I'll go. And the critics can go suck it. Fuck the critics! It's the big bad wolf with the button roll. With his crazy choice of words. Put your fist up, put your middle fingers up. It's the big bad wolf with his crazy freestyle and shit like that. Here I come on the drums. See, I break it down. I really break it down. And when I did come on the drums, I used everything around me for drums. See, I really do break it down. And I love the ladies, and I love the ones who love to kiss me. I just wish I could find the one who wants to stay with me. walk down the aisle with me and get married to me. Ow! Because I'm the big bad wolf. Yeah. Because I'm crazy about that. And I'm crazy about them. Oh. We go right in the sky. Ow! It's the big bad wolf. With the crazy button roll jam and the crazy freestyle. Whoop, there is. And I burned down all the three little pigs' houses. I made sausage and ham. I made barbecue pig. Yeah. And served the pigs with some hot sauce and shit like that. Ow! Because that's the big bad wolf. And I kiss Snow every time on the lips. Because she's hot and so attractive and so much more prettier than Nicki Minaj with her plastic surgery and shit like that. That's why I don't like the plastic women. I know she's only a few years older than me, but she's only 46. And I'm only 41. That's not so bad. Maybe that's just right. And she's so pretty, and she's, I just want to get in the sheets. Now, partially do they have? Partially do they have? Or partially Medusa? This is a big bad wolf. Yeah, with the bottom and shit like that. Here I come on the drums again. I don't mind if she's my shorty. Turn it up with the bottom. It's the big bad wolf. Now, to prove my music better with age every time I do it. Oh, it's the big bad wolf with the craziest freestyle and shit like that. With the brand new music and shit like that. Rock the house, rock the house. Crazier than ever. Push bang pow, witty witty the whack. You can't stop me. I'm the heavy metal MC, that's why. But you'll never see me in prison. Rock the house, rock the house. Turn it up, turn it up. I do believe in Jesus Christ, but I also believe in the rock and roll. And auto-tune sucks. It's fake. And whoever probably uses the auto-tune doesn't believe in God and probably doesn't believe in their own real voice. Ow! It's the big bad wolf with his crazy freestyle. With the crazy music. What? You don't like it? Too effing bad. Here's some more new music for you. Cause I'm the big bad wolf. I'm the wolf. Howl! We're doing rocks. We go right in the sky. And if you don't like this, you can go straight to hell, my lousy haters. You can burn in hell. Howl! It's the big bad wolf.